hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be sharing with you a complete strategy that I use in trading cryptocurrency coin and that is making me a rational profit. Okay, so I'm not going to share this completely with you, how I started from the scratch and also started gaining a little profit from trading from top famous cryptocurrency coin down to the memes coin, and also how I found out about using the gainer sections on Bybit exchange, and also the losers section on the Bybit exchange. All right, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share. If you notice, I mentioned something of this nature, being greedy. Each time you start trading cryptocurrency and you are actually in the market, you must be very careful. Okay, each time you see profit, take the profit and wait for another opportunity. You can see this is what happened here. I was actually trading this coin. I bought this coin from here actually, and this coin triumphed to this very place. You can see I have made not less than 15 USD. Okay, I made not less than 15 USD, but my intent was telling me that I should wait a little, that this cryptocurrency coin is going to go higher more than this. This is Pepe coin. Okay, and now let me tell you what happened. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So back here you can see I lost my profit and I also lost my part of my coins. So I will actually need to wait again in order for me to gain a new profit, then take out my profit and wait for another opportunity. Okay, so each time you see a profit when you're trading cryptocurrency coin, just make sure you take out your profit and wait for another opportunity. Okay, so that is by the way. Let's quickly dive into what actually I was talking about, but I'm going to start by using this same coin again. Now this is what I do. I calculate those candles by time. Okay, or let me take another coin as an example. Where is it? Let me use BBQ. Okay, you can see this BBQ now. This is what I do on BBQ. I will come to this very place. Don't even stress yourself about using the Bollinger Band or the RSI. Let me just show you simple what to do. If you look at this very coin using the 15-minute time duration, now you see this very coin take a very rational move from this place, which was 0.0063 to where 0.007, which was a very good move. But if you weren't smart enough, you will not be able to cash out from this profit. Okay, so what I do sometimes is this. I'll go to my buy. After buying these particular coins, I'll come to this place to click on limit. If I click on limit, I'll now come to this place to ask this coin when I want to sell this particular cryptocurrency coin when it's 0.0088. I'll come to this place and draw it online and click on sell. So when you just get there, be me online or not, it will sell automatically. Now you see, you need to capture this too. It will sell automatically. This is one of the most strategy you can use. Okay, so looking back from this coin, I've seen this already, and I've seen the smart movement this coin has been doing. So I have studied this coin, like each time it goes up, it comes down immediately. When it goes up, I'll sell. You can see, let's say I bought from here, I'll sell here and wait. Even though it's going forward, I don't care. I will just wait and wait carefully for another opportunity. Okay, then when it draw down, take this down line again. When it retreats, you buy from here again. If you buy from here again, you got to stay patient and sell it here. You can see. Okay, now this is what I do. I will now look at it. When was this time? Okay, and how many hours was the interval, and when next am I expecting the upward trend? Okay, now okay, look at the time here. The time here is it was 6. Okay, being it AM or PM. It was 6. Okay, it took a high move to 0.007450, and the next candle that pop up took a downtrend, which was a serious retreat to 0.006. You can see that. Okay, and now look at this time. Okay, this was 6, right? Okay, and now look at, come to this place again and click on this. This was 11. So how many hours interval was this? 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which was 7 hours. 7 hours interval. Okay, so looking at this 7 hours now, I'll now come to this place to get, okay, since it's 7 hours, I'll buy here. So buying here now, I'll now hold on. I will wait a little until it goes up again. You can see this very coin is very flexible. All you just need to do is to get a particular coin. Okay, you can see it's very flexible. All you just need to do is to get a particular coin and study it carefully. Make sure you choose a coin that is very flexible, that is full of ups and downs. That is the nature of coin you will choose. Choose coin that is full of ups and down. You can see this kept going up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down. You can see. So you look for a particular coin that is very, very flexible, that is full of ups and down. Okay, when you get a particular coin that is full of ups and down, all you just need to do is to monitor it carefully, buy it, and start making something for yourself. Okay, and each time you see profit, make sure you cash out. Don't wait too much. Do not be greedy. Okay, cash out and wait for another opportunity. So this for this. So the second thing I usually check here is that I come to this very place. This Bybit here has some major sessions. Okay, we have the hot, the new, the gainers, the losers. Okay, I majorly look at those sessions when trading cryptocurrency coin. Each time you see a particular coin on hot, it means that that coin is currently buying in the market. Is currently buying in the market. You can see when it's going up there, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. Okay, if you see something of this very nature, it means the coin is currently hot. Okay, it's currently buying, in the market. Okay, when you see something at this new, it means there is a new cryptocurrency that was launched right over there. And when you see these gainers is a total numbers of coins that have actually gained irrational momentum in the cryptocurrency market. Okay, and when you see these losers are the ones that are actually doing very poor in the market for the past 24 hours. Okay, so if you look at what I do sometimes is that I will come to look at those losers. Sorry, when I come to these losers, I will check carefully. Which one is having the highest negativity, which was this one currently having the highest negativity. M star, you can see M star is currently having the highest negativity. What I will do is that I will just dive into it. So diving into it now, I will look at it carefully and see. Sometimes I use the Bollinger Band, okay, and see where exactly will be the next move for this cryptocurrency coin. Okay, and next thing I will do is that I will look into the data. How many people are actually investing in this particular cryptocurrency coin, and also how many people are also selling in this, leaving this market of this particular cryptocurrency coin known as M star. Okay, now this is what I do. I will click on the data. So clicking on the data now will now show me the inflow, the total inflow and the total outflow. Now it's a good time to buy this particular coin. You can see the inflow is actually is equivalent to the outflow. This is to tell you that a lot of people are selling and a lot of people are still coming into this cryptocurrency coin trading. In fact, that's a very good one. Looking at the net flow, this shows that a lot of people are also coming in and a lot of people are also going out. But at this time, it is advisable you join in going in too. All right, so these are major things I consider before trading my cryptocurrency coin. And sometimes I come to this hut to check. You know why? Because each coin that is here, I know that yes, no matter how down it goes, it may goes, it will not stay too long before it starts coming up again. Okay, it won't stay too long before it starts coming up again. All right, so you can see how I managed to lose my profit here and also need to wait again for another opportunity to come up. All right, so which is why I always tell you people, do not be greedy. Okay, do not be greedy. Now you can see a total high here was this. That's recorded the total high for today and its total lows as well. Hadn't been I took out my profit, I would have been joining a new trade by now. Okay, so do not be greedy when it has to do with cryptocurrency market. All right, so let me look at another coins again that I bought. You can see a lot of them took this negativity journey. You see, I bought this coin as well. It was actually doing well, and all of a sudden it took another downtrend, which made me also lost my profit here. You see, and I have to wait again for another opportunity or for another uptrend. Okay, so looking at the data, it looks like the market is still promising because the inflow is still greater than the outflow. Don't forget, this inflow and outflow, they matters a lot. They matters a lot. Okay, they matters a lot. So one of the things I do again is also coming to these gainers. If I come to these gainers now, I will now check which people are actually doing well and which people are just coming up. Okay, and which people are just coming up. If I look at the people that are just coming up, you can see, if I look at the people that are just coming up, that is people that recorded just plus 3% or plus 2%, like KMNO. You see, I'll come to this place now and look at the chart. So looking at the chart now, I realize that yes, this one also, they are still just coming up and they will soon do well again. So I'll look at it carefully and dive into the trade when the market is suitable for me. All right, so I do believe that you are actually getting this, and if you do have any question again, you can just simply drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. All right, I do believe that a lot of us knows how to trade cryptocurrency coin here, and if you do not know, I've dropped a lot of video that shows how you can trade cryptocurrency coin on your own. Okay, and I will still drop another video that will still show you how to trade cryptocurrency coin, because I think a lot of new people are coming into the cryptocurrency industry every now and then. Okay, so if you do have any question, do not forget, try to drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.